Hey guys, in this video we're going over an amazingly simple price action strategy that you can be using and start implementing today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and like button, and let's get into the video right now. So this simple approach is using moving averages on multiple different time frames. This is a very simple approach to achieve great investing and trading profits and results. So let me show you how to set it up right now. So if you go to the indicator section of no matter what you're trading, whether it's on tradingview.com, toss like I am, or something else, they all have an indicators tab. So from here, we're looking for the simple moving average. So for me, it's going to be simple moving AVG, which stands for average. Again, there's a bunch of different advanced approaches for this. So you can use the whole, you can use the exponential, or you can use other variations of the moving averages. In this video, we're going to be using the simple moving average. So that's why I'm going to select the simple. Now, when we go to the default setting, it gives you a period of 9. If you're wondering what 9 is, 9 stands for how many candles this actually looks back. So like I said, this is a moving average approach, which means that we're taking the average of the last few price points on the candles. And if you don't know what the candles are, those are these. So 9 means the line will be a bit more adaptive. It's going to change quicker because it's only looking at the past 9. But actually what the best ones to see is looking at the past 200 is going to be your strongest level of support. Again, I don't know why those signs came up on the screen. But anyway, so if I go here and I change my settings to a period of 200, then you can see what I'm saying here. This line is a bit slower. Now, you may be saying, Austin, I'm a trader, I'm a swing trader, I'm an investor, whatever. How does this apply to me? I'm about to explain that right now. So this is a simple moving average, on the daily time frame. And what this daily time frame shows is it shows a long-term view, a long-term approach of the stock. So what the 200-day moving average shows in the bare essence is that if the stock is above this line, the stock is bullish. It's pushing higher. If the stock is below this line, it actually starts to push lower. This 200-day moving average is what my custom band that my students and I used is actually based off of. And if you want to learn more about that, I have a free investing course below in the description. But please check that out after this video. So as an investor, you use this in a way to find a good stock, right? So what you want to look at is you want to look at the history of the stock. So if I want to go into the time frame, I want a time interval that's pretty far back, and I want to make sure that this stock stays above the band for the majority of its time. And as you can see here on SPY, this stock stays above the line. That means that this is a good uptrending stock. This stock consistently moves higher. When you invest your money into an asset, a stock is also known as an asset, then you want that asset to increase in price, and that's what we want this stock to do. So because it's staying above the 200-day moving average, this asset is increasing in price. Now the same concept works for day trading and swing trading. You just move the time frame lower. So this is the long-term trend that you see here. If we go into the 15-minute, we can see the short to intermediate term trend. So this is the shorter term trend, and this is only showing the past 5 days, but actually want to show a bit more. So as you can see here, this shows the trend on the minor time frame. So we have like a large scale, and now we're zooming into a smaller scale. So if you want to swing trade, you can use the same approach here. On this, so it's basically the same concept, but on a smaller time frame. And as you can guess, if you are a day trader, you're moving to the 1 day, 1 minute, so you can help you see the trend of the market there. Now, the reason why the trend works so well and why so many people are trend followers is because you don't have to be right all the time. You don't have to develop your own perspective of the market. It's all about understanding and following the trend. You don't have to be like, okay, so based on the fundamentals of the market, we have pandemic, riots, etc. I think it's going to sell off at this level because of the psychology. No, you don't have to do that complicated stuff. It's just what is the market doing? Is it in an uptrend or is it in a downtrend? And you can invest and trade accordingly. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe and like button, and then turn on the alerts to get all these amazing videos. Also, if you haven't already, check out the description for some amazing free resources like a free investing FAQ, a free investing checklist, and my favorite, my free investing course. I'm also coming out with a free swing trading 101 course coming soon, so stay tuned on my Instagram and below. All right, guys, see you soon.